everyone! Today we're going to present you NegaMaluca, a typical dessert from Portugal. To make the cake NegaMaluca, you will need the following utensils: a scales, a mixing bowl, a measuring cup, a wire hip, a stain or a sieve, and a baking tray. You will also need the following ingredients: 6 eggs, 250 grams of flour, 400 grams of sugar, 100 grams of cocoa powder, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of water, half cup of oil, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. When you have all set up, it's time to start cooking. Here are the instructions. First, you have to separate the egg yolks from the whites. Whisk the egg whites vigorously. Put the yolks in a mixing bowl and add the sugar and start to mix all the ingredients. Next, you put the water slowly and keep stirring. In another bowl, you put the flour and add the baking powder. Next, you add the cocoa too. Next, you're going to sift the flour and the cocoa into the mixing bowl and mix all the ingredients. Add the oil. Slowly, add the egg whites to the mixing bowl and fold in the ingredients until you get a uniform mixture. Then you have to preheat the oven into 180 degrees. Next, you grease the baking tray with butter and add a bit of flour to prevent the cake from sticking to the tray. Then you put the butter into the tray, take it to the oven and bake for 45 minutes. Finally, when the cake is ready, cover it with the chocolate sauce and you're ready to enjoy your NegaMaluca cake.